Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead. Tonight we're going to be doing our live stream 7 p.m. Central Time on Micro Homesteaders channel. I'll put a quick link in the description and I'll also have one in the comments so you guys can just click on that. It'll get you over to his channel and you'll see the live stream. If you guys don't have Micro Homesteader as a sub, please go check him out. If you like what you see, click on the channel, click the bell. It's a quick and easy way to see how the live streams are going. Right now, our YouTube is really messing up on the notifications, so jot it down, write it down, 7 o'clock p.m. Central Time on Micro Homesteaders channel. And tonight is going to be a prayer stream, guys. We're going to be over there lifting people up. We have a prayer list started for those in need of prayer and just to be around like-minded people. It's going to be a great time, fun, and we're going to learn a lot of different stuff with other people coming in the room, so it's going to be a great time. Hope to see you guys all there and enjoying the chat and enjoying everything that's going on, and just to help everybody out. You guys all take care. God bless, and we'll see you later.